Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some replacement bands for your Samsung Gear S. Now, I actually ordered some of these last week. I got them in the mail and I didn't like them. Alright, and let me show you why. Now, I was browsing on Amazon. I found a package deal. 12 bands for the low price of 150 bucks. Now that seems like a steal because these bands usually go for anywhere from 50 to 60 bucks. So 12 bands for $150, that seems like a win, but it's really not. And here's the problem. Now, if you look at the picture, you can clearly see that, yeah, it's not the official Samsung locking mechanism on the band. No big deal though. I was willing to eat that for the savings. But the colors are what kills this band. Now, for the ladies, y'all probably love it, but fellas, I originally wanted a white band and a red band. So I said, let me just order this whole package deal, but I should have been paying more attention to the description. Look at the names of these colors. So you got white, teal, tangerine, rose purple, violet, pink, navy, all these crazy names like lime green, citrus yellow. And trust me, when you get them in the mail, you're not gonna like the color scheme. If you look at that yellow, it's not the kind of yellow that you can match with like a Pittsburgh Steelers hat, no. If you're looking for red, this one right here, it's more like a rose color red that's like a pinkish hue to it. So you definitely can't rock it with a Chicago Bulls jersey or something like that. No, it's not gonna work. The only color that looks like it's supposed to look is white. Everything else looks kind of fruity. All right, so what I did was I gave the whole package to one of my homegirls that has a Gear S, and we're gonna trade something later. So don't buy this one, fellas. If you're looking for standard colors, pass on this deal right here for $1.50. I know it seems like a win, but it ain't. All right, so I'm back to the drawing board. Let me show you the ones that I actually ordered now. Amazon.com, that's the website. I'll throw it up in the description. Got a red one and a white one. Okay, now these are official Samsung Gear, basic red factory packing, whatever. $49.99. 50 bucks for this, $49.90. All right, so 50 bucks for this. Now I ordered a white one. Now all the prices changed on this, fellas, so be careful. So the white one was $65.99 and the red one was $49.99. All right, so basically $1.20 for the set. Maybe a little bit more. Let me show you what they look like real quick. This is gonna be a quick video, fellas. This ain't really too much. Now, both of them came in a basic packing. Let's take a look at the red one first. But this one has the official Samsung locking mechanism. So definitely feeling that. Real simple, just a replacement band. And here's the white version. Okay, official Samsung locking mechanism on this one also. All right, so two nice replacement bands. Let me show you how to change it real quick. It's real simple. All you do is pop your Gear S out of here. Okay, and just slap the next band in. Matter of fact, I'll do this on camera so y'all can see. Now I'm kind of rushing. Shout out to everybody celebrating the 4th of July. I'm getting ready to go to this barbecue. And this one came right on time because I'm rocking all red. So this one's gonna fit right into my theme. So all you gotta do is slap this in here. Let me pull back for real. I can't see behind the camera. What I'm doing is just lining up the rubber. That's all you gotta do. Line up the rubber on both sides. Let me adjust it to the last hole since I got a big wrist. Okay. And let's slap it on and see how it fits. There it goes. Just that simple. Now I got a red Gear S that's gonna rock perfect with my red Yankee fitted. So this is crazy right here. 50 bucks for this one. If you want the white version, it's a little bit more. This one was what, $65? Let's slap the white one on and see what it looks like real quick. Trying to make this video quick, fellas. I know I'll be making long videos all the time, but it's the 4th of July. And I just dropped the watch on the floor. Talk amongst yourself, fellas. Y'all know how it goes. What y'all doing for the 4th of July anyway, man? Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if y'all barbecuing, y'all getting drunk, doing fireworks, whatever y'all doing. All right, this one is annoying me a little bit. All right. This is actually my first time changing these bands, believe it or not. And if you look, the only part that's going to give you a little problem is lining the rubber up. But it's not a big deal. Let me see if I could do this really, really quick. Yeah, you just got to get that rubber piece lined up in there. Keep talking, fellas. Keep talking amongst yourselves. I hate to leave stuff half completed, but this one is getting on my nerves. All right, here we go. Here we go. It's almost in there, fellas. It's almost in there. Okay, here we go. Got it in there finally. All right, so let's put the clasp on and see what it looks like. Ah, yes. Yes, yes, yes. That little awkward silence that we all love. All right, here we go. It's almost there, fellas. Almost there. All right, now I put it on upside down. My bad, fellas. Well, I'm not gonna fool around with this too long. I put the clasp on backwards. It's gonna look like this though. All right, I put this on. Oh, matter of fact, I put it on right. I got the watch upside down. Oh, I'm everywhere today, fellas. I'm everywhere. Hold on a second, y'all. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Let me get back to the home screen. Had a little email on there. It's gonna look like this. All right, so this is the white version. Now I could get the rubber a little bit. You see, I can play with the rubber and get it in there a little bit deeper. I know, that's what she said. I'm gonna get it in there good, but I didn't really want to play with it too much because I'm about to put the red one on and rock out for the night. All right, so replacement bands for your Gear S. I'll throw the links up in the description. Remember, fellas, trust me. Remember, do not get that 12-pack. If you're looking to match with your regular sports teams and all that, don't do it. Now, if it's for a lady, they'll probably love it because all of these colors are the ones in the 12-pack, very fruity kind of colors. They'll love it. But fellas, stay away from that one. All right? Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody that rock with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hit me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the Amazon Warrior on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Shout out to the Scissor Squad. Shout out to the Donut Boys. We in the building. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss. I'm out. Deuces. Happy 4th of July.